Ready, go.
King's Ten smells smoke. King's Ten sits on a bench in the shape of a white swan. Chuck Take runs to King's Ten. King's Ten has fish on a white dish. King's Ten drinks soda. King's Ten stop and tap Chuck. King's Ten put up his hand and whisper, "I think I smell smoke." King's Ten look, it is smoke. King's Ten yell, ring the bell. Chuck ring the bell. King's Ten run to the pond with a big jug. Chuck runs to the pond with a big jug too. Chuck swims in and fills up the big jug. King's Ten take a full jug from Chuck. King's Ten and Chuck run from the pond. Thick smoke is over the pass. A big black pot is in the stone stove. The pot is in flames. A big black pot is in the stone stove. The pot is in flames. King Ten and Chuck put out the flames. King's Ten men run to King's Ten. King's Ten men smile. You put out the flames. King's Ten wink at Chuck. We did it.
Okay, good.